Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Knit Crochet Tejido. Today I'm gonna teach you how to knit the C stitch. I've been teaching a few beginners class. This is one of them. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here's the list of material you're gonna need to make it. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my video in Spanish and English. If you're receiving a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, at the end of each video, I leave a playlist with all my English tutorial. To make this stitch, I'm gonna use this leftover yarn, and I have the information here. Is Peyton Decor medium 4, 75% acrylic, 25% wool. It had 100 grams, but now I have 58 grams, and the color is Aran. And the netting needles are 6mm or US 10. Today I'll be teaching you how to do the seed stitch. I know it's an easy stitch, maybe many of you already know this stitch, but I'm teaching for those that don't know how to do this stitch. So it's multiple 2 plus 1, and I'm gonna cast down 21. Leave it till long enough for those 21 stitches. I'm gonna do my slip knot. To create that first loop, that is the first stitch, and start casting on my 21 stitches. This stitch is really nice for hats, especially sweaters. They look really nice, the combination of stitches with this one. So I'm gonna continue until I have my 21. Here I have my 21s and I have extra tail. I'm gonna add 4 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 stitches, just a little extra. And I'm gonna do my knot in here to secure my work. Now I'm gonna start with row 1. The good thing about this stitch is that it's the repetition of one row back and forth. So you're going to start with one net, and then one purl, one net, one purl, one net, one purl. You see, this is exactly what you're going to do in all your rows. So it's very easy to do. One net, one purl. So I finished my first row with a knit, and then we're gonna start with a knit. So exactly as you did the first row. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and like that you're going to continue all the way until the end of this row, knitting 1 and purling 1. I finished with a net stitch, and again I'm gonna do the repetition, so this will be a very short class because this is the same repetition that you're gonna do on each row. You knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So it's very easy. This stitch is really pretty, especially in a sweater when you do cables on each side and the front, and then you do a piece like this in between the cable. Look really nice. In my channel I have it's like a sweater, 3/4 sleeve, big. I call it an aran. Is done with this stitch is start from the sleeve, and then you make an increase stitches. You do a cable sideways, and then you decrease and do the other sleeve. It's really nice and very, very warm. I use it all the time when in the fall, late fall, when it's not time for a jacket yet, but it is cold outside. I love that piece. I'm gonna leave the link in here just in case you didn't see that video and you want to make one of those. So I'm gonna continue doing this all the way until the end. 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, and you start to see the stitch. So I finished with that knit, and again you're gonna start in row 4 with a knit. You always start with a knit and finish with a knit. So it's very easy stitch to follow. I'm gonna work a little bit, and I will show you just how nice it look after you've done a few rows. But it's very easy to follow the pattern. especially if you have already practiced with knit and pearls, especially pearl. Not everybody like pearls. I love pearls, but most people like knit. So I will work a little bit more and I will show you the Here I finished my 12th row, and look how nice this look. Very even on both sides because it's a reversible stitch. So if you want to make a scarf with this, you can do it with a thicker yarn and a bigger netting needle. That way the work goes faster and it will look amazing. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to cast off your stitches. You're going to knit the first one, and you're going to purl the second one like you're supposed to work the stitch, and you're going to cast off or bind off the first one and top of the second one. Now I do a knit and pass the one in the back and top of the one I just finished netting. Now a purl and pass it through the top. And like that you're going to continue all the way until the end of this. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love this stitch. I use this stitch in a lot of my work, so I'm gonna leave some playlists at the end of the video, maybe some videos with this stitch. That way you guys can practice. Well, I hope you guys like it and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and if you make this stitch or anything with it and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.